Assalamualaikum. Hello Asbar.
Waalaikumsalam. Hello Raffi.
Are you busy tonight?
Yuk.
Doesn't seem busy.
There is a futsal schedule tonight. Are you coming or not?
Yuk.
I'm coming for futsal schedule. What time is the futsal?
8 o'clock night.
Yuk.
Where is the location for futsal?
Taken place at Kaisar Arena.
Yuk.
Oh, okay.
Who are you going to futsal with?
Yuk.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Just be with me.
Yuk.
Can I be with you?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.